Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. It's Here to Stay by Ms. E. So glad you decided to join me on today. Welcome to my subscribers. Welcome to my new viewers. Listen, there's nothing like that feeling that you get when you look good from head to toe. Make sure you stay until the end because I'm definitely going to show you an outfit of the day. So let's get into the curling and styling. This is a 13 by 6 inch custom made wig that I designed. I have been wearing it in a bob. The bob is my signature look when I'm not wearing a short pixie cut wig. Because if you know me, I like to change it up a little bit. I mean a lot of bit, because it's so easy to get bored with it. I saw some of the girlies on social media with this old school curly bob look, and I said, you know what, let me try that. So you're going to see me trying it for the first time right here, right now. I'm confident it's going to look amazing. So as you see, I popped in these Velcro rollers, which I also got from Sally Beauty Supply. Now, let me tell you, these Velcro rollers are so comfortable. I love these rollers. Not me holding this curl this long with this hot curling iron. Child, we got to protect our protective styles, okay? Adding the rollers after the curling iron is going to give you that hold that you would get without an actual roller set. Without shampooing, setting lotion, sitting under the dryer, and all that good stuff. This is the shortcut, child, because sometimes we ain't got time for all that. Same results, less work, okay? So let's go ahead and take these rollers out so we can get dressed. We're going to use a wide tooth comb just to loosen our curls up a little bit. We don't want to comb out our curls. Look at that bounce. I love it. Okay, let's get ready for my outfits of the day. You know I always have more than one. Starting off with this leopard print blouse and this bubble skirt. And I'm going to use a big belt. I'm going to give a pop of color with these red shoes. And of course, I do not have a red purse and I'm not going to go buy one. So this black purse is going to do. I'm going to keep on the same outfit, just change jackets and accessories. So this chocolate brown trench coat is a DIY. Yes, it was long to the knee. I didn't like it, so I decided to cut it, crop it, add a hem, and there you have it. Adding my caramel color pumps, and this is the outfit. Amazing what a little DIY will do. This is a moto jacket that I've never worn. Decided to shop my closet and take it out, and I just love this outfit. My favorite moto jacket that I stole from my daughter. Technically, I didn't steal it because she was looking at me when I took it. Had to pay her back for all the time she shopped my closet. Let's not forget the Nikes and the baseball cap. Love the streetwear look. Thanks for watching. Can't wait to see you in the next one.